So this is more of the chaos this tree has caused. Yeah, this big tree right here fell and just crunched my house. So we're replacing this whole corner right here. As you can see, it's not level. Yeah, that tree falling on my house, it's just been really, it took a big toll on my life, and having it happen at the same time as my colon making a hole in my bladder, then needing surgery for all of that, it's just been really rough on me. It's been hard, but I endeavor to persevere. Well, that part looks normal, but that part don't. So we're framing in my house. So I'm in my kitchen heating up some menudo that the neighbor gave me. I don't usually eat menudo in the summertime, but you know, what are you gonna do? Oh, it's food. And it was given to me. Anyway, so this is my kitchen. The tree fell on my house when I was at a sleep study in Modesto and crashed the whole corner of the house. And it's finally getting fixed. It's a long, slow, arduous process of tearing out the old one and putting in the new. It's a lot of work. I can't do it. So I'm paying someone to do it. It's a lot of work. This is my little dinner in my outdoor kitchen, or my kitchen without a wall, because the tree fell on it.